I visited their website and there are so many job-oriented courses. Then I decided I will connect with them, and the senior career counselor guided me. Here faculties members are so helpful. When I faced any problem, they helped us as much as possible. And here infrastructure is also so good, like smart boards, projectors, so that we can learn a lot. During the classes, our trainer provided us demo projects so that we can learn how IT industries are going on and more confident ourselves. After completing my course successfully, Webskitters Academy arranged some interviews, and after that I cracked one interview successfully, and now I'm working in a reputed IT company as a web designer. Thank you Webskitters Academy for upskilling my future. Guys, if you want to make your future in IT industry, so this is the best academy for you.